Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon rice. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of basmati rice, 2 fresh lemons, and a handful of curry leaves. Also, have on hand 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Don't forget a pinch of turmeric and salt to taste. Washing your rice thoroughly is a crucial first step for perfect texture. Now let's cook the rice. Use 1 cup of basmati rice with 2 cups of water, cooking it until each grain is separate and fluffy. While the rice cools, prepare your tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, allowing them to splutter. Then, add 1 tablespoon of chana dal and a few fresh curry leaves, sautéing until the dal turns golden brown. This aromatic base is key. With your rice cooked and tempering ready, it's time to bring it all together. Squeeze the fresh juice from 2 lemons directly into your tempered spice mixture. Next, gently fold this flavorful tempering into the cooled, cooked rice. Ensure everything is evenly distributed without mashing the grains. A pinch of turmeric powder can be added for color. Finally, season with salt to your preference, mixing well for a vibrant, zesty dish. Your delicious lemon rice is now ready to serve. It's wonderful warm, either as a vibrant side dish or a light, flavorful main course. For any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Reheat gently to maintain its texture and aroma. Also, for easy meal prep, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.